Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the last content of the death of a partner, deceased partner. So here I am going to describe here how to calculate the profit of the deceased partner till the date of death. So here the two methods are there. On the basis of time period I will tell you how to calculate the profit, and the second is on the basis of the sales basis I will tell you the how to calculate the profit. First, calculations of the profit till the date of death of a partners. The death of a partners may be occurred on any day of the one accounting year. So there is a need to give his share to him from the beginning of the year till the date of death. So suppose if I am saying the accounts are closed on 31st, so it means after starting the 31st, 1st April onward, if death occurs, you have to calculate from 1st April to the till the date of death, the time period. It may be 2 months, it may be 1 month, it may be 4 months. So on the basis of this, the profits can be calculated with the two methods, time basis method and the sale basis method. So first I am telling you on the time basis method. Here are the 3 points which you have to consider at the time of periods when you are getting. Like the first is to calculate the profit. Here I am taking the base as the last year profit. Sometimes the question may say you to take the base average profit. Sometimes the question may be say to take the last year's the total profit of the few years. So it means we have to take first the profit as a base. I am taking here like for example the calculation of the last year's profit. So here I am taking the base profit of the last year. But as given average profit, super profit, total profit, first step is to select the base. And the second is then calculate the time period from the date of beginning of the year till the date of death. It means the first of all time period will be calculated. It can be the gap of 1 month, 2 months or 3 months from the beginning to the date of death. Then shares of outgoing partners will be applied. Death partners will be applied here. So the formula is if with the last year is the base, last year profit, multiply by his shares and multiply by his time. So time period will be applied like the 4 month. So this is the aspect now. I am moving to the next on the basis of sale. When I am talking about the sale, it means first of all, the student needs to calculate the ratios. You may say the percentage also to the total sale. Here again, the question is sometimes saying you the profit of the last year and the sale of the last year. So we have to calculate the percentage with the help of this formula. So here the formula is when sale is the base, so the profit is given of the one particular year like the last year. So the formula is the profit divided by the sale of given same period. The profit of the same period and the sale of the same period. Then multiply by the 100, then the percentage will come to you. That means the 6 lakh if the sale is given, the 30% is percentage, you may apply, you may derive the again the profit 1,80,000 will come in front of you. This is the formula. It means on the sale 30% is the ratio, 30% is the percentage of profit. So the second step is then calculate the profit till the date of death when the current year sale is given till the date of death. So first you have to see the sale of the current year till the date of death and then apply this percentage like derive 30%. So supposing 1,20,000 is the current year. So multiply by the 30, then profit will be derived 36,000 on the sale of 1,20,000. And the third step is then apply the share. When apply the shares, shares may be one fourth of the debt partners, one fifth may be the debt partners, or one half of the debt partners. So you may have to apply the share on the 36,000. Then the share of outgoing partners means debt partners will derive. So here the word is reference to when I talked about to do the profit share till the date of death is to be given. This is the systems to calculate on the basis of profit or as well as on the basis of sale. So These are the system only create the problems to the students, calculations of profit and interest also. The rest of the aspects are the same as in the retirement. So the balance can be calculated with the help of this. Thank you.